YouTube. Hello, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, hi, my name is Carla. Welcome. What else are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get to know each other better. I upload a new video every week, so don't forget to also hit the bell so you'll get notified once I upload a new video. Okay, let's get down to business. So today I have decided to do another unboxing video for you guys because first of all, I haven't done one in a very long time, like really long time. And second of all, I noticed that the two previous unboxing videos that I did garnered quite a lot of views. So I figured, maybe you guys like watching unboxing videos. So here is another one. So today we'll be unboxing two new pairs of shoes that I got recently. So I have here with me the Golf le Fleur times Converse by Tyler the Creator pair of shoes that just recently launched a few days ago, and I was lucky that I got a pair. So yeah, we'll be unboxing that today. And another pair of Converse that I got is Comme times Converse, so we'll be unboxing this as well. I have to be honest though, this isn't entirely new, this pair of shoes, because I got them over a month ago for Christmas. Actually, Pierre got them for me for Christmas, and I have already worn them once, but I put them back in the original packaging, as you can see. And yeah, like I mentioned, I only used them once, so still good as new, just like how I got them from the store when we purchased them. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing.
As the paper bag suggests, I bought this pair from IT Hong Kong, the one on silver cord in Simshatui. Now I know for the silhouette you're supposed to size down, but I did the complete opposite and got a size 6.5, which is a full size bigger than what I usually wear because that's the smallest size available in store. The shoes come in this Golf le Fleur times Converse branded shoe box and this cool looking potato sack sort of a dust bag. The dust bag also has the shoelace drawstring detail. And here we have the shoe. Obviously I got the bachelor blue colorway. Now attached to it is this label that basically tells you to expect color bleeding if your shoes get wet due to the color dye used. So it comes with 3 sets of laces in the same blue colorway, clean white, and the standout orange that I really like. Taking out the other pair, here we have the Converse branding on the heel patch, and inside it has the Golf le Fleur branding as well. And of course, let's not forget the one-star turned flower, the most notable feature of this collaboration pair. So the outer sole is definitely my favorite part of this shoe because of the statement orange and floral print. The suede used for this model is relatively thicker compared to the regular one-star model. It does look and feel expensive, so for the price of a regular pair of Converse sneakers, I think it's really worth copying. Now let's move on to the Comme times Converse pair. So Pierre and I bought this from the CTG Play Store at the Venetian Macau last month. For this pair, I got a size 5, which is a half size down my normal size, and they just fit me exactly. So it comes in this clean white box with Converse times Play branding on the lid, but I think that the box is a little too big in my opinion. I got the off-white or cream white colorway because I'm just into white sneakers these days. And as you can see, here's the Play character peeping out on the outer quarter. On the inner quarter, we have the Converse logo. My favorite detail on this pair is this black trim on the counter. Again, we have the Converse logo on the heel patch. And this is the label that I detached from the pair when I wore them. It's just a basic branded label. Honestly, I got a lot of compliments the day I wore this pair. I think for the most part because of its color. It looks clean on feet. I guess because most people prefer to wear black Converse rather than white ones, so when I wore this pair with an all-black ensemble, they really stood out. that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, comment, and share.